Hello, hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to another episode of my Simple English podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Mark. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
How are you doing today, Mark?
I am doing great, Sarah, but I have a little problem.
Oh no, what is the problem?
My refrigerator is empty. I have no food in my house. I am very hungry.
That is a big problem, Mark. It sounds like you need to go shopping.
You are right, and that is perfect because today we are talking about the supermarket.
Yes, today's topic is at the supermarket. This is a very important topic. We all need to eat, so we all need to buy food.
Exactly. In this episode, we will learn the words for shopping carts, different food sections, and how to pay for your groceries.
We will make it simple and easy. Are you ready to go shopping, Mark?
I am ready. Let's go.
First, let's talk about the why. Why is this useful?
Well, if you travel to an English-speaking country, you need to buy water, snacks, or ingredients for dinner.
That is true. Supermarkets in the UK or the USA can be very big. It helps to know the right words so you can find what you need quickly.
And you need to understand the cashier at the end. You do not want to be confused when you pay money.
Exactly. So let's start with our first key pattern. This is about what we use to carry our food.
Okay, when I walk into the store, I see two things. One is big and has wheels. One is small and I carry it in my hand.
Good observation. The big one with wheels is called a shopping cart.
A shopping cart. In the UK, they sometimes call it a trolley, right?
Yes, that is right. In the USA, we say cart. In the UK, they say trolley. And what about the small one, Mark?
The small one is a shopping basket.
Perfect. So here is the pattern. You must choose based on your list. Mark, do you have a list?
I do. I have a shopping list. It helps me remember what to buy. Let me look at it.
Is your list long or short?
It is a short list. I only need apples, bananas, and yogurt.
Okay, if you have a short list, you need a basket.
I will take a basket. But Sarah, what if I need food for a whole week? What if I need milk, eggs, bread, chicken, and vegetables?
Then you need a shopping cart. You push the cart and you carry the basket.
Got it. Push the cart, carry the basket. Today I have my basket. What is next?
Now we need to find the food. This brings us to our second key pattern, sections of the store.
Supermarkets are divided into different areas.
Yes, let's learn the names of the three most common sections. The first one is where we find fresh fruits and vegetables.
I see it. It is very colorful. There are red apples, orange carrots, and green lettuce.
This section is called produce. Can you say that, Mark?
Produce. It sounds a little formal. Can I just say fruits and vegetables?
Yes, you can, but the sign in the store usually says produce.
Okay, produce. I need apples. Sarah, do you like red apples or green apples?
I prefer red apples. They're sweet. Green apples are often sour.
I agree. I will put 4 red apples in my basket.
Great. Now let's look for the next section. You have yogurt on your list.
Yogurt, milk, cheese, and eggs. They are usually in the same place. It is always very cold in this section.
That is the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk.
Ah, dairy. Okay, I see the milk refrigerators. I see the cheese. And here is the yogurt.
What flavor do you want?
I love strawberry yogurt. I will get 2 small cups.
Excellent. So we have produce and dairy. What if you need bread?
I follow my nose. It smells delicious. This is the bakery.
Yes, the bakery. This is where they bake fresh bread, cookies, and cakes.
I love the bakery. I'm going to buy a loaf of bread.
Wait, Mark, that brings us to our third key pattern. This is very important for grammar. We need to use container words.
Container words. What do you mean?
In English, we can't just say, I want a bread. Bread is uncountable. We need a word to describe the shape or the package.
Ah, I see. So I cannot say one bread.
No, you say a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. Okay, what about milk? Can I say a milk?
No, you say a carton of milk or a bottle of milk.
A carton of milk. Okay, what about my apples?
You can count apples, 1 apple, 2 apples, but if they're in a plastic sack, you say a bag of apples.
And bananas. They come together in a group.
Good question. We call that a bunch of bananas.
Let's practice that. A loaf of bread, a carton of milk, a bunch of bananas.
Perfect, Mark. Using these words makes you sound like a native speaker.
Okay, Sarah, I have my apples, my yogurt, and my bread, but I can't find the eggs. I'm lost.
This happens often. Supermarkets are big. We need to ask for help. This is our fourth key pattern, asking for location.
Who do I ask?
You look for an employee, someone who works there. They usually wear a uniform or a name tag.
Okay, I see a person in a uniform. What do I say?
We want to be polite, so we start with, excuse me, then we ask, where can I find the eggs?
Simple. Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
Or you can say, excuse me, where is the milk?
Let's try a role play. I'm the shopper, you are the employee.
Okay, I am ready.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
Hello, the pasta is in aisle 4.
Aisle 4? What is an aisle?
Good catch. An aisle is the walking path between the shelves. It is spelled A-I-S-L-E, but we say aisle, like island without the and.
Aisle. Okay, so aisle 4. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay, I have everything in my basket. Now I need to pay.
Yes, we need to go to the checkout. This is at the front of the store.
There is a person there. Is that the cashier?
Yes, the person who takes your money is the cashier. Let's practice a conversation at the checkout. This is very common.
Okay, I will be the shopper again.
I will be the cashier. Please put your items on the conveyor belt. That is the moving black belt.
Beep, beep, beep.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did.
Great. That will be $15.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay, please insert your card.
Okay. Beep. It is finished.
Would you like a receipt, please?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Wow, that was easy. But Sarah, sometimes they ask me a question about bags.
Yes, this is our cultural tip for today. In the USA, a cashier might ask, paper or plastic?
Paper or plastic? They're asking what kind of bag I want.
Exactly. Paper bags are brown and stiff. Plastic bags are usually white or gray.
Which one is better?
It is a personal choice, but nowadays, many people bring their own bags from home. It is better for the planet.
I see. So I can say, I have my own bag, thank you.
Yes, in the UK and Europe, you often have to pay extra money if you want a plastic bag, so it is very common to bring your own.
That is a good tip. I will remember to bring my big green bag next time.
Now, let's do some practice. We will say a phrase, and then we will leave a quiet space. We want you, the listener, to repeat the phrase out loud.
Are you ready? Let's try it.
I need a shopping cart.